It was a rainy evening, and James, a taxi driver, picked up an elderly woman at the corner of a bustling street. Frail but dignified, she asked him to take her home, a modest house on the outskirts. They chatted lightly during the ride. Her voice held warmth that stirred memories James couldn't place. Upon arriving, she reached for her purse, but James, moved by her gentleness, insisted she keep her money. As she thanked him, the sight of the house hit him. It was where he once lived and worked as a boy.